I am going to continue into decisions and loops using my little file that I've already used. So one of the things that we want to go through is variables. We're going to read input from the user. Well, it's actually pretty simple. We can say read, and it's a convention to use variables as uppercase. So this is going to read whatever I type in into this variable memory space. When I want to print it out, of course, I echo. Bloop. And I can say hello. Now to access the variable, read username puts information into the variable. To access, we put a $sign in front of it, and that allows us to access the information inside the variable. And we do need to finish like that. So I have way too many things in here. Let's get rid of some of this. So I don't have quite so many things going on. Get rid of who. Let's just backspace out everything. That'll be simpler. There. Now we're going to save, exit, run that guy. There, it's waiting for me to say something. Well, it'd been nice if I'd have prompted, wouldn't it? So I forgot to put in my prompt. So let's go back in and put in a prompt. So our prompt is going to be ECHO, echo, what is your name? So far, so good? All right. So we save it, exit, run it again, see what it looks like. What is your name? Bill. Hello, Bill. Well, it worked. Now in the assignment, we aren't normally used to typing in something the line below. So you notice that in the assignment they did the -e, and then at the end they put /c. That means do not do a line feed. Normally Echo does a line feed. A line feed means we make a new line. And line feed comes from the old dot matrix printers and typewriters. Let's try this now. One more time. Notice that my cursor's right at the end. I can put in Bill. And that's much, more intuitive, I would say.